Low testosterone isn't just a bedroom issue. That's the obvious sign and the late-stage symptom. That's the dashboard light, not the engine failure. Most men kid themselves because things still sort of work. But the drive? You don't show up as the man you could be. The early signs show up quietly. Not just libido, but energy, mood stability, assertiveness, physical resilience, mental sharpness, and the most dangerous part? You adapt to it. You get out of bed, grab your phone, start moving through the motions. Work still gets done. Messages still get answered. But the fire is missing. You don't attack the day, you manage it. And somewhere along the way, you stopped asking why. So today we're doing two things. I'm giving you 7 secret signs you may be low on testosterone, and 5 fixes that actually help you climb back out of that 30% battery life. And yes, sign number 6 is the one that makes men start tolerating disrespect like it's normal. And no, this isn't one of those videos where the solution is cold showers and yelling at the mirror. We're keeping this grown man, not caveman. We spot your patterns and fix obvious leaks. Ready? All right. Sign number 1, the diesel engine morning. You wake up, but you're not online. Testosterone is one of the core systems behind how a man moves through the world. When it dips, life doesn't collapse, it dulls. You slept, technically, but you don't feel rested, not exhausted, just heavy. You're not sick, you're not broken, you're just running at about 30%. It's that kind of fatigue where motivation dies first. That's where most men get stuck. The trap. You slowly accept a collection of small compromises. You adjust, you lower expectations, you tolerate things you used to correct. You tell yourself, this is just life now. But it's not. Secret test? Do you avoid tasks you used to attack? Without coffee, you're only half a person? Do you choose compromise because you lack that toughness, in training or in conversations? That flat battery feeling can be tied to sleep debt, stress load, diet, and yes, hormone signaling. Sign number 2, your body is running storage mode. Your body composition shifts without you earning it. More belly fat, less muscle tone, softer look. You're not eating wildly different. You're not doing anything crazy, but your body starts looking like it's storing life as a backup plan. Secret test. Are your waistline and face getting softer while your training effort stays the same? Or your recovery gets worse? This isn't about age, it's about inputs. Your testosterone is responding to signals. Sign number 3, recovery is charging with a broken cable. Recovery becomes a problem. You work out and you stay sore for days. Or you feel drained after effort that used to feel normal. Even mentally, you finish one big task and you feel like you need a 2-day holiday. That's not overload. That's poor recovery systems. Secret test. Do you avoid training because you hate how you feel after? Not because you hate training, because you hate the recovery bill. You don't even plan on training several days in a row at all anymore? Bad recovery is often low testosterone talking. Sign number 4, your brain is buffering like bad Wi-Fi. If your attention span can't hold a thought longer than a TikTok, that's not personality. That's your brain being trained like a lab rat with a smartphone. Your brain feels like it's buffering. You start things and don't finish. You reread the same paragraph 5 times. You forget why you opened the fridge. Then you still eat something stupid because you're there. Secret test. Do you struggle to lock in for even 30 minutes without checking your phone? Your phone is a villain on its own. But if brain fog stacks with fatigue, low drive, and poor recovery, don't ignore the pattern. Testosterone is the hormone that helps drive energy, libido, muscle building, mood stability, and that push to act. Sign number 5. Your mood is either spark plug or flatline. Your mood is either too reactive or completely flat. You snap faster, you get irritated by small things, or you don't feel much at all. No excitement, no edge, no hunger to win. You drop the issue because you're lacking the sharpness needed for confrontation. And here's the sneaky part. Men don't always call it sad. We call it, I'm just not feeling it. Secret test. Do you feel like your emotional range got smaller? Are you less interested in things? Like you're either annoyed or numb. Stress and sleep are huge here. But when low drive and flat mood stack together, pay attention. Sign number 6. Your confidence is leaking like a quiet puncture, and disrespect increases. Your confidence leaks, not the I need hype kind, the quiet kind, where you stop asserting yourself. You let things slide. You don't speak up. You avoid conflict even when you're right. You tolerate jokes that aren't jokes. Here's what this looks like in real life. Someone makes a joke at your expense in a group. Old you would have checked it. Now you force a smile and let it slide. Then later, in your head, you replay it like a bad highlight reel. I should have said something. I should have shut that down. But in the moment, your body chose peace over respect. Confidence isn't just mindset, it's fuel. Secret test. Have you become more passive in conversations? Do you over-explain? Do you apologize too quickly? When your internal engine is underpowered, you start negotiating your boundaries. Sign number 7. The morning signal goes missing consistently. Here is it. Your morning signal becomes rare. You know exactly what I mean. One off day? Normal. But if it's consistently missing for days, it is a signal. Sleep quality, stress, overall health, diet, hormonal levels. This isn't about embarrassment, this is your body's dashboard. Secret test? Are you missing your morning signal more often, especially alongside the other signs? All right, pause. If you've got one sign, relax. Life happens. If you've got 4 or more consistently, that's not a vibe, that's a pattern. Now here are 5 fixes that actually address the whole issue to restore your baseline and climb out of that half-dead state. Let's go. Fix number 1, sleep. Stop donating hormones to your phone. If your sleep is trash, your hormones pay the bill. Studies consistently show short sleep can drop testosterone the next day. Why? Deep sleep is when your body does its best repair and rebuild work. If you're sleeping 5 to 6 hours or your sleep is broken, you're basically trying to grow grass while stomping on it. Do this. Same sleep-wake time most days. 1 hour before bed. Dim lights, cut scrolling, cool the room. Sleep cool and dark. Consistency wins. Caffeine cutoff, at least 8 hours before sleep if you're sensitive. Fix number 2. Lift heavy-ish. Give your body a build me signal. Strength training is not just aesthetics, it's a biological signal. Keep muscle, improve recovery, adapt. Research links resistance training with better body composition and healthier hormone signaling. Why it helps. Resistance training supports body composition and improves insulin sensitivity, which matters for hormones. Simple plan. Train hard, not endless 3 to 4 days per week. Pick 4 moves: squat pattern, hinge pattern, push, pull. Progress slowly. And please, don't ego lift. If you're lifting heavy only to impress strangers who won't attend your funeral, you're doing cardio with extra steps. Fix number 3, nutrition. Stop building hormones out of junk. Your body can't build a strong hormone profile out of ultra-processed food. That's like trying to fuel a Ferrari with cooking oil and prayers. What's the problem with junk food? It's calorie-dense, low in nutrients, spikes cravings, and makes it easy to overeat, leading to body fat gain, which can mess with hormone balance. Do this. Protein at every meal. Add real fats, eggs, olive oil, nuts, fatty fish. Proteins and healthy fats are the building blocks of your testosterone. Get micronutrients from real food first: zinc, magnesium, vitamins. Fix number 4. Stress. Lower cortisol or testosterone gets taxed. Chronic stress is a silent bully. It doesn't just ruin your mood, it changes your physiology. In stress mode, cortisol increases. High cortisol means low testosterone. Plus, long-term high-stress hormones can affect sleep, recovery, appetite. Suddenly junk food wins, and discipline disappears. Turn the game. Daily walking, 10 to 20 minutes outside. Daily. Hard training 3 to 4 times per week. Good stress to boost testosterone. Cut late-night doom scrolling, bad stress. Fix number 5. Confirm with labs and don't play doctor on TikTok. Okay, if you think guessing is for football predictions, you can get your data with a clinician. The only way to confirm testosterone is a proper blood test. Timing matters, ranges vary, and context matters. Now here's a 7-day reset you can control easily. Try it out and thank yourself. Protein at every meal. Cut off junk. Lift or body weight 3 to 4 days. Choose one sleep time. Stick to it. Morning sunlight plus walking for 10 to 20 minutes. 1 hour wind down before bed. Reduced screens, cool room.